In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relist an item on eBay, especially tailored for beginners who are just diving into the world of online selling. Perhaps you've had an item listed that didn't sell, or maybe you just want to give it another shot. Whatever the case, relisting an item on eBay is quite simple and can breathe new life into your sales strategy. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can get those items back up for sale in no time. First, you'll need to navigate to My eBay. You can do this by logging into your eBay account. From the main page, look towards the top, where you'll find the My eBay link. Click on it, and then select Selling. This section acts like your command center for all things related to your listings. It gives you an overview of what you currently have listed, what is sold, and most importantly, what hasn't. Once you're in the selling section, it's time to focus on the ended listings. These are the items that were listed but didn't sell for one reason or another. Scroll through until you find the specific listing that you want to relist. This is your opportunity to reevaluate whether the price is too high or the listing title needs a bit of flair. Select the item you've identified, and we can move on to the next step. Now you'll want to find the Relist button. This is your gateway to getting the item back into the marketplace. Click on Relist, and eBay will guide you through the process of reposting your item. This is where you'll have a chance to make any necessary adjustments that could enhance the appeal of your listing. Maybe consider uploading more eye-catching photos, or tweaking the description to better detail the item's features. Remember, freshening up your listing can sometimes make all the difference in attracting potential buyers. The last part of the process involves reviewing your listing details carefully. Ensure that everything is correct and that the item is described accurately. Double-check your pricing, shipping options, and any other details to make sure they align with your sales strategy. Once you're satisfied and confident everything is in place, go ahead and hit confirm. And just like that, you've successfully relisted your item on eBay. By following these steps, you give your unsold items another chance to find a happy buyer. It's a straightforward process that, when executed thoughtfully, can improve your chances of finalizing that sale. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial has demystified the relisting process for you, making it easier to manage your eBay store efficiently.